part where it has Copilot. You already found the x coordinates of your reflection points by solving this. To find the y coordinate, plug these x values into the original function. The original function being x to the power of 4 minus 2x squared plus 1. We're gonna plug in this value. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna plug it in. You can either plug it in like this. You can either plug it in as plus minus 1 over square root of 3, or you can do it twice where it's like 3 or minus 3. But honestly, the more efficient way is to just plug it in like that. And how do we answer it? The first thing we're gonna ask is how do we even get rid of this? How do we get rid of this? How do we get rid of the square root? Well, that's very simple. If okay, let's do it step by step. Let's plug it in first, okay? Plug into the original function. The original function. There. Plug it into the original function, which is fx equals to x to the power of 4 minus 2x2 plus 1. In order to get rid of that, like I said before, right? In order to get rid of a square root, let's say it's square root 3, you just need to multiply it by 2. Then get rid of that. So you can say that by inputting f plus minus 1 over 3, we can do this, where it's like 1, 3. Do I have to write down it every single time? The plus minus? Wait, give me a minute. Plus minus, do I have to write it down all the time? You know what? I'll just do the positive one first. The positive one, then the negative one later, okay? 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over square root of 3, 4 minus 2, 1 over square root of 3, 2 plus 1. We can cancel this out by multiplying it by square, remember? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this out. Cancel. So 2 is cancelled, but you only need 2, so this will be minus 2 equals to 2. So later on, it's going to become 1 to the power of 3 square minus 2, 1 over 3 plus 1. That will be 1 to the power of 9 minus 2 over 3, because multiplying this just means that multiplying the very top of it, plus 1. And what we can do, because we can't use a calculator, but we can, however, try to make it to be a common factor. So the one thing we can do is that we can make it so that all of them have the same denominator. How do we do that? Let's use 9, okay? Because that is the biggest number that we can that is a denominator. So 1 over 9 minus, how can we turn 2 over 3 into a factor of 9, or like how can we turn it so that it has a denominator of 9? Okay, what can be 2 over 3? It could be 6 over 9, because 6 is just 3 times 3. Well, this one is 6 is just 2 times 3. Well, this is 3 times 3, right? So technically it is 2 over 3 just simplified, but we can use 6 over 9. So we're going to use that. Minus 6 over 9 plus, what is 1? 9. It can be 9 over 9, because 9 divided by 9 is equals to 1. So 9 divided by 9. And then now here we can solve this question. And whenever we solve a question, it always has to be from this side, okay? unless there's some multiplication or division, then we have to prioritize that first. So from this side, negative 1 minus 6 over 9 is negative 5 over 9 plus 9 over 9, which is equals to 4 over 9. And it tells us that, see, you can convert all the terms, have a denominator of 9. And then so it tells us that the both inflection points have the same y value, equals to 4 over 9, equals to 4 over 9. And that is the y coordinate, I believe. Here, this is how you can write it down in the exam. Inflection point at x equals to negative 1 square root of 3 with this is equals to 4 over 9. Inflection point at x equals to 1 over square root of 3 with this is equals to 9. These are inflection points because the second derivative, we don't really have to, but yeah. So the y coordinate is 4 over 9. I hope that makes sense. We can do f negative 1 over 3 if you'd like together, but it's practically the same format. So negative 1 over 3 equals to negative 1 over 3 4 minus 2 negative 1 over 3 plus 1 square, right? Cancel this out, cancel this out, cancel this out. Minus 2 because we just need 2 becomes negative 1 over 3 square minus 2 negative 1 over 3 plus 1. That'll become 1 over 9 because negative 1 over 3 times negative 1 over 3 is equals to positive. And then this will become positive. This will become positive, right? Become positive 2 over 3 plus 1 plus 2, 1 over 9 plus 6 over 9 plus 9 over 9. I'm starting to question if this is also positive because, like I said, 1 over 3 times negative 1 over 3 will not only cancel this but also makes it positive. So I think it might be positive. So this will become positive. When we multiply it with this, it becomes negative. And then we get 4 over 9 again. I'm talking so fast. I'm so sorry, but I hope this makes a lot of sense because we need to rush. And now we're just going to be working on sketching of the graph.